it's very simple to get access to potential investors, to potential customers, and it's like yeah, let's say all-in-one package, and this is very helpful, especially when you start in a new market. For the visitors of the Indian ceramic, I would have the message that they should come to see different suppliers, to get the impression of a huge variety of very competent suppliers, and to get the state-of-the-art information, what's going on, what can be done for Indian demands.